everyone, it's me Pretty Sinang. Lakliba March kitang kunmari dagina kuntare ko pangthokadawriba
Kiwi Gaming, Luther Entertainment, Mr. Biswa Gaming, and Elusivity
esports na pangthokadawriba MLBB offline tournament habidi MMC season 1 asida mayam puno magsaru yabi. Mayam saru yabi, you will see you in MMC 1.